Welcome to Spring LIB.
This is the answer to Chapter 12, problem number 13 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem says a chiral alkyne A with molecular formula C6H10 is reduced with hydrogen gas and Lindlar's catalyst to B, having the R configuration at its stereogenic center. What are the structures of A and B? And so actually, in order to solve this problem, I think it might be best to work backwards. So we need to think about the alkene product B here. And we know that it's going to be C6. We know that it's going to be C6H12 because the starting material is C6H10, and we're adding a pair of hydrogens. And then we need to think about how this could have a stereocenter and what that stereocenter might look like. And so B is actually going to look like this. Okay, and so this has the R configuration at this stereocenter, and this is really the only way to draw a C6H12 molecule with a stereocenter there that could come from an alkyne, because we need a methyl substituent there, and we need one of these two like side arms to have an alkene in it to differentiate them. So this is going to be B here. And then once we have that figured out, we can work backwards, as I said, and think about where this came from. So H2 and Lindlar catalyst. And so to draw the molecule that this molecule came from, we just need to think about making an alkyne here instead of the alkene, and then everything else about the molecule is really going to be unchanged. So our stereocenter is going to be the same in the starting material as it is in the product. The only difference is instead of that alkene, we're going to have an alkyne. And so this is the structure of A. And that's all that we were really asked to do in this problem, is identify the structures of A and B. And so we've done that. And again, I think that the way to do this is to sort of work backwards. It's much easier to come up with the product when you know that it has to be C6H12 and you know that it has to have a chiral center and an alkene in it. Those pieces only really fit together this way that I've drawn them. And then we can just work backwards to find the structure of A. And that's the answer to Chapter 12, problem number 13.